Hey man, that was a really great walk. I'm curious, once this is all over, what are you going to be doing? What do you want to get? Oh, yeah, that makes sense. You want your voices to go away. So if your voices went away, what would you be able to do? What would you be able to get? Oh, yeah. Wow, those are hard. So you'd want to get into a GED program, huh? So like if you got into a GED program and then you finished it, well, what would you do with that? Like, what would you be able to do? What would you be able to get? Oh, you'd be able to go to college and get a job? What kind of job would you want to do? Those seem really complicated, right? So like what would be the best part about being a welder? Oh, that's really interesting. So like what kind of work do you do as a welder? Oh. Okay, well that sounds really, really fascinating. Well, once you get that job as a welder, like what else would you be doing? Oh, you get a house. Well, what kind of house would you get? What would you want to be doing with that? What would it look like? Oh, that sounds really nice. So would you have like people over, or would you get people to, would you just sort of want it on your own? Oh, wait, are you a good cook? Okay, well, what kind of stuff do you like cooking? Oh, that sounds delicious, man. Now I'm almost hungry. So, big question. Are you a dog or a cat person? Would you get a dog or a cat? Excellent. We can still be friends. Dog. Perfect choice. Well, this sounds really good. So it seems like once this is all over, right? Once we're all in the rearview mirror, it sounds like you want to, and the voices are gone. You want to go get your GED so that way you can get a job as a welder. And it seems like there's some really cool stuff that you could do. And then you want to get a house with a dog and have people over, and it sounds like barbecue a bunch. Well, that sounds really awesome. Can I help with that? Cool.